This is Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Charlie is a retired New York City carriage horse, ICU. And he's about 25 years old or so. He's in his 20s. He's a Percheron. He worked in New York City for about 10 or 15 years. He's retired. He started to get a little bit slower in his older age. Oh, is that your girlfriend? Is that Kelly? Is she your girlfriend now? I saw those little I love you nostrils. And Charlie's actually blind in one eye. His right eye. He has cataracts. But that doesn't affect him in the least. He knows exactly where everything is. And he works with his best buddy, Carter's son, retired carriage horse from Philly. Oh, now he's got to go over and check out the tractor, which is up here. Caton and Justin are picking up poo. Keep everybody pasture nice and fresh for them. But Charlie's got to go see what's going on with this tractor in his house. Charlie Daniel. What is it, Charlie?
Oh, using the flip?
Yeah, we're making videos.
I like how you can do the snapshots during videos.
Yeah. Oh, Charlie's gonna go see if he can get Pinto to move out of the way and get some food. Get some hay. Noms. Or maybe we better go check out the tractor some more. Wheelbarrow. Rake. Ooh. Or maybe we'll just go back and have some hay. Or maybe we'll pick on Pinto. Say hi to Rosie. Rosie's from New York also. They used to live in the same barn. Rosie and Charlie did. Charlie D. And this is Rosie. She's very graceful, very elegant. Hi, Rosie. She's a standard bred. I know. What's Charlie doing back there behind you? Tisk tisk. How you doing, Miss Rosie? She's 19. And she worked in New York City for many, many years as a carriage horse at night, and she's retired now. But she still likes to be treated like she's in Manhattan, likes to be pampered, likes her stall, just so, likes her routine, just so. But she's also making friends in the herd. She's been making friends with Pinto lately. She's friends with Dexter. Charlie D and Carter have been hanging out with her. Oops, we've got a little bit of disagreement here between Pumpkin and Pinto. Here comes Pumpkin. Pumpkin's wearing that boot because she's got an abscess on her front foot. It's got to be soaked and let it work itself out. Thank you, Pumpkin. And what goes in must come out. These horses, as I mentioned, eat a lot of hay. Pumpkin is mostly blind. She's completely blind in one eye. And she sees shadows in the other, but she hears very well. And she's 25 years old. She's an American Spotted Draft Horse. Oh, here comes Carter. Carter, that's not very nice. Carter getting his turn at the hay. Rosie. Of course, wherever Carter is, Charlie D's gotta be. Oh, Pumpkin. Such a squealer.